Weirdo cloud.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe we're gonna get sucked up.
I think we are.
Oh my god.
You're right
oh
on
my god.
Oh my gosh.
Yuck!
I've never seen anything like this
I
in my
like
life.
it.
I've never.
Yeah, this
ever
is
seen
weird.
anything Like
That's
this.
great. That's cool.
Look how black
It's
it
going to
is.
go right over us.
No, you're not.
I'm scared.
Yeah, it just got really windy.
Oh, look how cool that is.
I'm not fond of it.
Ew, look at that dippy dip thing in there.
I don't see
That-
it.
This seems like it's like 10 feet over top of us.
I feel like I can touch that one over there.
Wow, it just kicked up wind bad.
Yeah.
Wow.